Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to avail coupons on Agoda. I wonder why you want to know how to avail coupons on Agoda. Maybe because you want to take discounts on the Agoda app by just availing a coupon, or maybe someone suggested you that there are multiple coupons available, so you just want to try it. Or there could be any other reason for you to avail coupons on Agoda. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed Agoda app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Agoda app to open it. Once app gets open, first it will ask you for some of the permissions, so you may allow or deny it. After that, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. There you could see we have multiple options almost all over the screen. At the top we have some of the options through which we can book hotels and other stuff. So this one is actually a home page. Along with that, we have this booking section. If you have booked anything, it will appear here. Other than that, we have this coupon section where you could avail section. Also, if you have availed before, they will also appear here. And this one is your card, where if you have saved anything, it will be there. And this one is kind of profile or settings section where you could see these options. So once you get to your home, there you will see this coupon available on your home screen. So there is a possibility that you might not have this coupon based on when you created your account. So once you click onto this collect option, it will also indicate you at the top that this coupon has been availed. But don't worry, there are also a lot of coupons available. Now, if you want to see or maybe use your coupon, then just simply click on view, and there you will see the details regarding coupon and how you could use it. So if you want to avail more than that coupon, so you could also do it. So for that, what you have to do is that first you have to get back to your home page and you have to look at the down. There we have five options. You just have to simply go for this middle option. Once you get there you will see a long list of coupons that are available, so you can avail them by just tapping on it, and then these coupons will be added to your account, and whenever you want to use them you could use it. As you just saw that I just tapped on one of them, so at the top it indicated that this coupon has been added to my account, and whenever I want to use them, I could use them before they could get expired. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can avail coupon on Agoda. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.